Ever wondered how artificial intelligence can give your online business a competitive edge? Enter AI Insight, a comprehensive learning system designed to help you harness the power of this cutting-edge technology. It's more than just a course, it's a complete toolkit. It includes a workshop to help you understand the ins and outs of AI, a cheat sheet to guide you through the process, a workbook for hands-on learning, and a list of recommended AI tools to kickstart your journey. So, why do you need AI Insight for your online business? Let's delve into its key features. AI Insight is not just a tool, it's a game changer for your online business. Here's why. This learning system is designed to assist you in leveraging artificial intelligence for various research tasks. It's like having an experienced analyst at your disposal, helping you understand your market and customer behaviors. Imagine being able to turn your ideas into reality, with the power of AI streamlining your online business research. With AI Insight, you'll be able to do just that. It's like having a crystal ball, providing insights into market trends and consumer behaviors that can put you ahead of the competition. But it doesn't stop there. AI Insight also aids in generating digital products, devising effective promotional and sales strategies. It's like having a seasoned marketer on your team, guiding you on the best ways to promote and sell your products. And let's not forget the bonuses. A cheat sheet, a workbook, course translations, and even recommended AI tools. It's like having a personal tutor helping you master the use of AI in your business. Impressive, isn't it? But that's not all AI Insight has to offer. The benefits of AI Insight go beyond its features. And the best part, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. This platform isn't just about leveraging AI technology, it's about enriching your online business. With bonuses such as a comprehensive cheat sheet, an in-depth workbook, course translation, and top-notch AI tools recommendations, AI Insight is designed to elevate your strategies and give you an edge over your competitors. But let's talk about the guarantee. A 30-day money-back guarantee? Yes, you heard it right. AI Insight is confident about the value it brings to your business. So confident, in fact, that if you're not completely satisfied within the first 30 days, you get your money back. No questions asked. It's a risk-free investment that promises a significant return. AI Insight is indeed a boon for online businesses. But don't just take our word for it. Experience the power of AI Insight for yourself. This is not just another tool, it's a game changer, a step towards the future. AI Insight is your passport to leveraging artificial intelligence, making your online business more efficient, more insightful, and more competitive. It's about understanding your market, turning your ideas into reality, and implementing effective methods to promote and sell your products. It's about gaining an edge in a world where the competition is fierce and every advantage counts. And the best part? You can try AI Insight with a special discount. Yes, that's right. We have a discount link waiting for you in the description below. It's an offer you can't afford to miss. Remember, the world is moving fast, and those who leverage AI technology today will be the leaders of tomorrow. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your online business. Check out the discount link now.